Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound of letter T. Letter T says T, T. Okay, let's hear the story for the same. Tom and Tamiko have been watching an important tennis match on television. There was a crowd waiting for the match to begin. The players came to the court and the crowd clapped. The match began and they hit the ball to each other. T, t, t. The people in the crowd turned their heads from side to side watching the ball. Now Tom and Tamiko are outside pretending to be the tennis players at the match. They hit the tennis ball to each other. T, t, t. Some animals among the tulips are watching them play. They turn their heads from side to side, watching the ball, just like the crowd at the match. So, what sound does a letter T make? Same as the ball made when they played tennis. T, t, t. And what is the action for that? The action is shaking the head from side to side. So, let's do it with the song. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes side to side. So the letter T says